Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make money with ChatGPT. So guys, at first just go to your ChatGPT app. I've already installed this app. You can install this app in your Play Store. Now in the ChatGPT app you can ask for anything you want. I'm gonna show you a few steps that how you can make money with ChatGPT. At first, if you are a content creator or if you are a digital creator, you can ask for your story in the ChatGPT, just like I'm asking, make a story about a frog and a dinosaur in 300 words, just like this. And after that you can just have an idea about this kind of story. You can edit this story as you want. You can use it as your content creation. There is another way that you can make money using ChatGPT. You can seek help for ChatGPT, just like I'm asking how to be a good influencer. ChatGPT will show you the way and you can reach your goal by your own. There is another way I'm gonna show you that you can do with ChatGPT, just like make a like this. You can ask for a program HTML and you can get an idea about HTML program. So guys, that's how you can make money in ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.